Hi everyone and welcome to the Freshfield Fitness YouTube channel. Today I am going to share with you a beautiful daily Qigong flow that's going to be easy to follow but calm, peaceful and relaxing to practice. I've chosen some simple Qigong exercises that I hope you can incorporate into your daily activities. With regular practice, Qigong can really deliver many benefits to our physical and mental health. And today's Qigong exercises are going to be all about focus, intention, really immersing ourselves into the movements and feeling our own flow. I'd like you to concentrate on breathing deeply and calmly, nice and slow, maybe in time and in rhythm to the movements, and hopefully create and develop that mind-body connection that's really going to give us a mindfulness practice today. This will be a great daily Qigong flow for you to practice first thing in the morning to get yourself energized and refreshed, ready for the day ahead. Likewise, it will be a lovely daily Qigong flow for you to practice of an evening to relax and chill out. So I'm going to take it into the garden today so I can breathe in the fresh air and be surrounded by nature. So let's get started. Starting with our feet hip-width apart. Ground yourself into the floor and really lift up through the crown with a neutral stance. Everything relaxed and tension-free. Starting with our knocking on the door, turning the waist from side to side, keeping all the movements well within your comfort zone. We're going to start with the Qigong exercise called Balancing the Qi. So inhale here as the arms rise and exhale as the arms lower. Nice slow, controlled movements. I'm really adding that natural resistance to this movement, like we're moving our arms through water. Let's add a knee bend. Moving on, inhaling as we take the arms high above the head, press the palms together and draw them down the midline to the heart. Inhale and exhale. Again, slow, controlled movements. I'm really feeling your own flow. Making the movement bigger by adding that knee bend, keeping the shoulders down as the arms rise. Really big inhale, expanding the lungs and chest here. And exhale. Returning to our balancing the Qi. It's like we're absorbing good, positive Qi energy into the body, feeling calm, relaxed, and at one with our body, mind and movement. This time, taking the hands high, pressing the palms together and bringing them to the heart. This time I'm going to point the fingers forwards and open out the chest. And then push the hands together and bring them in, relaxing down and opening out. Repeating this movement in a nice steady rhythm. Progressing this movement by adding that knee bend and a forward bend as we open up the arms, getting the upper body involved in the movement. Returning here to our balancing the chi. Slow, calm, deep breathing. Really focus on connecting that mind to body. Adding a massage here, the hands drop behind the shoulders. We're smoothing the skin and feeling and massaging down the back. Let's repeat that. So applying a slight bit of pressure here, calming the body and stimulating the meridians so chi energy can flow. This time taking the movements that little bit bigger, again keeping everything relaxed, but we're going to continue the massage down the backs of the legs, adding that forward bend just to within your comfort zone, and then slowly drawing the body up to a standing position, taking it slowly and relaxing as we go. calming as we return to our balancing the chi. Just get the breathing calm again and nice and relaxed. Now we're going to extend the stretch all the way up the midline and open out the chest as we look towards the sky, gathering the chi, and then we're pushing out with some resistance and bring the hands back through that midline, pressing the palms, stimulating those LiQWYD energy points. Again, adding a knee bend here, really scooping the arms up and feeling the flow of positive energy and beautiful breathing, exhaling as the hands lower, and a big deep inhale as we open up towards the sky. Returning to our balancing the chi, taking the opportunity to feel relaxed, clear the mind and calm the body. And our final movement, centering and feeling grounded by moving each hand alternately up to the sky and again drawing down that midline, really with lots of focus and intention. And I feel connecting the mind very much to the moving hand. We're going to add a knee bend here. for the final time, returning to our balancing the chi, feeling relaxed, refreshed and revitalized from this daily qigong flow today. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed that daily qigong flow, and I do hope you can incorporate that into your daily life so that you get all those benefits to our physical and mental well-being. Remember, there are lots of other qigong and tai chi sessions here on the Freshfield Fitness YouTube channel, so do check them out and give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoy the channel and the content that I put out here for you. Take care, guys, and I shall see you very soon. Bye bye.